Yo, welcome back. So today we're going to do another unboxing, ta-da, which this time is of a street style version Jordan. That's the only way I can describe it. It's not a basketball boot, they want it to be your everyday kick. So let's just get into this without further ado. Let's go. So today we are going to be looking at this, the new Jordan Jumpman MA2's Future Beginnings. Let's just go straight from the box. It's not your conventional box. Like I said to you, this is designed for lifestyle. It's not a Jordan 1 or Jordan 4 created for basketball. You won't see players playing in this, but I'm waffling. So here we have it. We got black top with Jumpman on it. Embossed in it, it says 000, and next to it, the Jordan 23. Underneath that, it says designed for flight. And on each corner, you've got a little cross. On the back of the box, you've got Jumpman, and it says 00023. On the side, you've got the usual 23 and all the details there, as you can see. On this side, it's got a barcode type thing. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that means, but there's certain numbers. And on this side, you've got the Jumpman himself. There you go. You can see it right there. Let's open it up. Inside it says Jumpman 00023, inspired by greatness, designed for flight. Okay. White paper, it's got a kind of square embossed on it, and the kicks themselves. There is nothing else in there, no laces or anything like that. But here we go. I'm at MA2's Future Beginnings. Yeah? But let's concentrate on what we usually do first, and that's the sole. So we've got a gum colour sole. Right in the centre of that is a black, I don't know, there's not a shape to it, but it's right in the centre of your foot. You've got the Jumpman there in the middle, as you can see. And then the air unit is incorporated into the sole as well, as you can see. There, so you've got, I'll call this like a salmon pink. I don't know if you can pick that up, but it's like a salmon pink, okay? And then it goes back into a gum colour at the heel of the sole. We go to the midsole. You can see at the heel you've got the air unit slap bank in it, where it should be in any, where all air units are, to be honest with you. The midsole itself is a rubber, and it's got engraved crosses there, as you can see. The upper has layers of suede, which is quite nice, in a tan colour, and this is on top of a nylon type material. I don't know if you call it off-white or cell, probably off-white, because cell's a bit whiter than that, I think. On top of this, on the toe, you will see that there's a kind of deconstructed foam upper, and that is continued all the way around at the top, going up to where the laces are. You can see the foam underneath for the stitching. The suede on top again is where the laces are, and you've got white laces, and that nylon with the foam in it continues, is a part of the tongue. At the top of the tongue, it says where the tag is, it says 23, Jumpman with the Jumpman logo in it, 00023, inspired by greatness, designed for flight. It's got a plus sign that says inspired. This is covered by a tag which is sewn inside the trainer, and it comes out across the tongue, and it's sewn to the outside of the tongue there, as you can see. Okay, on the outside, going back to the outside of the shoe, you see there's another tag. There's another tag there, and that says 1979 to 2021, which design, and then it's got the Nike tick and then the Nike Air tick on that, and then that stops there, and at the top of it you've got a little Jumpman again. I don't know if you can get that. Got a little Jumpman again right there. The insole, which I don't think you can take out, no, it's stuck in there, has dotted holes, and inside it says exactly what it's been saying on the outside of the shoe again. Jumpman logo in red, 00023, inspired by greatness, designed for flight. Okay, the heel is quite cushioned. Again, you've got another tag here, but it's set on an offset. It's not straight up like other tags you would see. It's offset against the center, as you can see, and where the suede continues around to the heel, this is on top of a, I was going to call it leather. Yeah, I think it is leather, but it's like a brown leather, and then on the heel, again, the midsole is like another salmon kind of color, I'd say, and that just stops, as you can see, on either side, just there. So, you know, it doesn't continue around, it's just at that part of the heel. The ankle support is quite cushioned. I think if you put your foot in this, you're going to get a decent lock-in terms of the heel, because it is what it's supposed to be. It's a lifestyle trainer, and to be fair, it's better in hand than it looks on pictures. This is really quite nice. I could easily rock this. It's better than I thought it would be, and the material they've used is really nice. They haven't scrimped and scraped on anything. They've given you top quality suede, the nylon cushioning with the deconstruct, you know, not sewn in at the tongue, adds to that. It's like that, you know, the Off-Whites used to do, or still do on some Jordans. And it's got a quilted type stitching there. So you can see they've given a lot of detail to this, a lot of thought to this. This is the second, I would say it's the second version of the Jumpman Max 200s. They were quite comfortable. They weren't my type of trainer, I have to admit, but they were quite comfortable. I did have a pair, and I sold them because someone else wanted them. So I was like, okay, cool. So, you know, these ones I think are much better. They've done a good job with this. I must admit, Nike, I think Nike have done a very good job with this. Would I advise you to buy? Yes. Are they true size? I don't know, because these are not mine. Okay, a big up to Chris, links details below, for lending these to me as soon as he got them. If I go by the Max 200s, then they're true to size. Okay, they're not going to be tight on your toes or anything like that. They are definitely true to size. Going by the Max, I think if it's, like I said to you, if it's the same as it was, then these will be true to size as well. You've got the air cushion, so it's going to be comfortable. It's got a nice cushion to it. I like the way they've let you see the air unit again, and it's almost got that Air Max 270 kind of feel on the heel where it goes round at the back. So you can see they're keeping up with the Nike ethos of lifestyle trainers here, but adding the Jumpman Jordan to it. And the fact that they've offset things in terms of like the heel tag at the back and the extra tagging on the tongue where you can use to pull up the tongue, and you know, the little tags on the side, etc. It just adds a nice, it's almost like a deconstructed lifestyle where if anything kind of kick, and I like that. It's going to be good. I think Michael Jordan was seen rocking these, but I'm telling you now, if Travis Scott put his foot in this, you wouldn't get these. I think there's around about 3 different colorways of this. But yeah, nice kick. Actually, just have a look in on the other side. On this tongue, it's got Nike Air in red, as you can see, Nike Air in red there. And then on top of that, you've got the 23 again, and then inside it says the same Jumpman with Jumpman 00023. Designed for greatness, inspired for flight, and then inspired underneath it. So it's the same thing there. And it's again on the inside here. There's no actual difference between the left and the right foot, apart from the tongue is different, as you can see there. But yeah, nice kicks. They are, I think they're retailing now for 105. Could be wrong, but I think they're 105. You can still get them on the Nike website now. I don't know if you can get this colorway though. I know there's 3 other ones. I didn't see this colorway on the Nike website. They might have sold out on this color. So have a look. I think if you're looking for a nice kick to buy, which will go with anything if you ask me, then you can't go wrong with this one. So there you have it. Jordan MA2 Future Beginning colorway. Peace.